Yes guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today we are doing a video on the Blink 2 Mini. It's a little indoor security camera, so potentially if you want to see what the dog's doing while you're away, you want to see how the house is doing, if anyone's looking after the house, and you just want that little bit of extra security to see is the house okay, and like is that getting nipped upstairs. So here we go, here is the Blink 2 Mini. So what we're going to do, we're going to open her up and see what's inside and show you how to install the Blink Mini 2. So the first thing we see is this is going to be our camera. So we're going to pop that up there. I do believe you can get two different colours, you can get a black one or a white one. Then you have your charger cable. So I do believe this doesn't run on batteries, so this has to be permanently plugged in. You can buy an extension lead, so obviously you can travel a lot further with it. But here is your USB-C connector, and then here is your USB. So it's pretty basic, to be honest. Got a couple of screws just in case you want to fix it to a wall or fixing or anything. But yeah, here is the Blink Mini. Let's unbox this. Right, so deep dive into this, I believe you are going to have previous cameras or equipment, because this doesn't come with the sync module. So when you plug this in, this has got no way to connect to the Wi-Fi. So I believe you're going to have to connect this to the sync module, and then the sync module will connect to the Wi-Fi, and then when you go onto this is what makes this worse. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go, if you've got one of these, or if you've got a Ring, a Blink system already, then you're going to have to scan the QR code on the back on your system. Basically it's going to just connect to it. It'll probably do a firmware update, and then pretty much we'll be good to go. So what I'm going to do now is go on my phone, I'm going to scan it, connect to the system, and then hopefully we all get set up from there. So I've connected it, put it down the back of the sofa. Obviously this is just for our purposes. I've just put it here just so I can connect to it and actually see what the quality is like, if you can see me from the other side of the room. So yeah, let's get the app open, add this device via the QR code, and see if it sets it up. So I'm going to go to add, and then we have got mini cameras. Scan the QR code. So I stand to be corrected, so the device connected straight to the Wi-Fi, so don't worry about if you haven't got the servers, the little Blink. That's connected straight to the Wi-Fi. I've just literally added it to my obviously devices because I'm under one house. So if I was at different destinations, for example, you could have like home 1, home 2, and then you could have different ones in different sections. So it says it's connected, it says I'm on my free trial plan as so, and let's have a look and see. As you can see there, you can see the living room like so. We take a walk over to the camera. It's got a little blue light. And if I press turn on, it's got a little light. So to be fair, for that one, that was so seamless. It was literally open the box, plug it in, scan your QR code. Obviously, if you haven't already, download the Blink app and create an account, sign up. And it was literally effortless. You just plug in, scan QR code, connect to your Wi-Fi, and then bosh, it's on. It's literally that. It took like 2 minutes from getting out the box to sticking it on. So if you are a bit scared about the technology, it is very simple. And I think off the top of my head that was 30 quid for that camera, and that's cheap. Like I think a McDonald's is nearly 30 quid now when you go out for a meal. So the price of a Mac is get yourself a little mini Blink 2 camera. So hope you all enjoyed that one, and see you on the next one. Peace.